Hello and welcome to Math 109. My name is Leanne Horbrick, and what I am showing you is the Lumen OHM screen. Everything for this course will be done through Lumen. So as soon as you get your course ID and password, you will come here, and what you will find is this will be very similar or the exact same front page that you will have. There will be a partial calendar underneath it, and the way we will communicate is through email or through messages. Since I really do not use Blackboard, the best way to get messages is to go over here to the left side, click on the word messages, and we can send messages back and forth through Lumen. I just want to give you a quick view of what you can expect in here. If you go down the front page, you will see a bunch of folders. The first folder is about announcements. The oldest are at the bottom. You will need some information from this to answer the syllabus and scavenger hunt assessment. So when you open this up, the first thing you will always see is the on-campus tutoring. The dates, the places to go, the link to get directly there, the link to make appointments. Way at the bottom, you will have less showing than I will. It goes in reverse order. The oldest is on the bottom. If you have a Chromebook, what you will see and do will look a little bit different from what I will do for this class. I have a PC. Everything we do will need to be done through Microsoft Office. So if you have a Chromebook, you will need to click on here to learn how to do some of it. Since this is a math class, we will be writing equations or formulas. And everything we do will be on Microsoft Word. You must download Microsoft Word and Excel if you do not have it. It is free. There is a video here on how to write equations or formulas in Microsoft Word. I also put some helpful hints here if you have a Mac or a PC on what you will see and how to input some of it. So read this first, look at the video, and you will know how to do it. Quite often you're going to be asked to include a screenshot. The snipping tool is the best way to do that. With the snipping tool, you can focus directly in on the piece that we need or the piece that you need instead of taking a screenshot of the entire screen. So make sure to view the tutorial on the snipping tool. This next section is on the Desmos calculator. I have done several different examples here, so you will know how to type in the Desmos calculator and get it to create the correct answer. These are screenshots that I took with the snipping tool. As time goes on, you will see that there's going to be more and more. This welcome in getting started. Welcome to the first day of the semester. Read through this. Many assignments must be completed on Microsoft Word. Only Microsoft Word. When a Word document is required, you will see a red link. Save the file with your last name, the name of the assignment, follow these directions, and it will tell you how to hand it in. As we get further and further, I will open up these links. These are links to help in every single unit. The one thing that will always be at the top is the on-campus and remote tutoring. If I go back to the front page, ways to get help. The welcome video that I'm going through now, will explain it. Ways to contact me is through my email and through Messenger. Message is what I most use. I rarely will check Blackboard, excuse me. Free tutoring at the Math and Science Center. I have included this in 2 places because it's that important to know where to get help from. As you go down a little bit further, you will see the syllabus and getting started. The top link is for the full calendar. The calendar only has the due dates. The next is the course syllabus. You need to make sure you are familiar with all parts of these 2 documents, and that'll be your first assessment. I've also included the online calculator for you here and the directions for how to download Microsoft Office for free. You have a textbook. The textbook is called Math and You. The entire textbook can be accessed here in a PDF file for free. I think there might be copies in the bookstore too, but do not pay for it. You will not need it. If we need to do a Zoom meeting, this is the link here. When you go back here, the very first assignment you're going to see is the Introduction Syllabus and Scavenger Hunt. This is 5% of your overall grade. The directions are written here, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. Once this is opened, it has to be completed in just 1 sitting. Click on the link, and questions will come up. So if I go to a student preview so you can see the way it is when you get it, the directions will come up first. The first question. There is one calendar that takes precedence over the others, and you just click in the correct one. Let me go back to here. I did not submit it. It's telling me. That's fine. Okay, as we go through the course, this is the teacher-made calendar shows the due dates only. The due dates are on the calendar. This is a hybrid course, meaning that you are expected to complete all of the textbook readings, viewing the videos, and any other readings approximately 2 to 3 days prior to being in class or our class practice. So in this particular semester, the 24th is the first day of class. The intro syllabus is due on the 26th, and computer homework, Unit 1, Homework 1 is due on the 28th. That means during this class and this class, because we meet twice a week for the class that I'm showing you, I will be covering the intro and all of the work for Unit 1, Homework 1. You need to have covered all of the readings prior to the beginning of class, because we only meet 2, not 3 days a week, so you can do this assignment. So let me go to Unit 1 so you can see what it looks like. When you go to Unit 1, you will see there are 4 parts to Unit 1, 4 homework assignments. That is true of every unit in this course. And then there will be 2 project assignments. So if I go to Unit 1, Homework 1, you are expected to have all of these readings. This is the readings from the textbook, and these videos read and watched before the first class. So if I just click on here for a minute, sometimes you'll see extra information that came from a different source that goes along with the unit, as in this case. The link, the top link where you see the little assignment with the pencil, that's where the assignment will be. You go to start the assignment or preview it, and then you're going to type in the answers. You will get 3 tries So if you look here, you see the number 3? That means you get 3 tries for every question. So if I get this wrong and I intentionally put in some wrong random answer and hit enter, it will tell me it's wrong. I get 3 tries for this, so I can try this over again until I get the answer right. So this is times 10 to the 6th power. So I need 9, 2, 9, 1, plus 3 more zeros to get this right. I need 9, 2, 9, 1, plus 3 zeros to get this right. And it will turn green when you are correct. And then you just hit submit question, go to the next, and you will get 3 tries to get every homework question correct. Okay, what else would be in here? If I go back to the home part of this, let's find the class I'm on. You will also notice that there are a couple of projects. When you do these projects, these are in forum form. It means you're going to have to click on the red link. This is why you have to have Microsoft Word. It will open in Word. Save it using your last name and the name of the assignment. And then you're going to type directly in here. You're going to type directly on this file, hit save, and after it's saved, then you will click here. And then it's going to say add new thread. This is where you will enter your project. You'll put a subject in, whatever it is, and choose the file and attach it. Once it is attached, after you've submitted yours, you will be able to see the other students' projects. Notice that this first project is due on Friday, 2/11 at 11:59 p.m. and replies have to be by 2:15. So when we look here, and I go to Project 1A, Unit 1, Project A, 2/11. It is a Word assignment, and you have to upload it. So I'm really looking forward to working with you. Take some time to make sure that you go through the Lumen site. You will be able to see your own grade book. You will get to see how much everything is worth. Yours will come up vertical instead of horizontal, but homework is 40%. Unit 1 project is 10%. That's the both pieces, A and B. Unit 2 project is 10%. Unit 3 is 15%. So that's worth a lot more. If you go back here, not everything is showing because not everything is opened. When you open up your syllabus and getting started, and you open your course syllabus, this will give you the exact percentages for everything you need to know. So if I go down to the middle here, you will see that the grading policy is 5% for the introduction Lumen quiz or scavenger hunt. You have 4 homeworks for each unit. So 4 times 4 is 16. 2 will be dropped, but try not to miss them. You're better off doing them all and have the 2 lowest grades dropped. Then you will see Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 projects. This is actually 2 projects for 10%, 2 projects for 10%, 2 projects for 15%. You have a total of 4 quizzes. The 4 quizzes add up to 20% of your last grade. Unit 4 is the only unit without a project. If you want to know what you need to get an A or a C, C is the minimum grade to be transferable. Many people like to get an A and keep A's all the way through. You would need a minimum of 93. So everything you need to know is on this syllabus, from student learning outcomes to academic policy, academic honesty and dishonesty, how your grades are done, late projects. Everything you need to know is here. This particular course ID is specific only to the course listed here. So you can only use the course number that will be given to you in Lumen. So not everybody is taking Survey of Mathematics that meets on Mondays and Wednesdays from 11 to 12:15. I'm using one video for all my sections. So make sure you go through the syllabus. Make sure you spend some time going through here. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the first day of school. And we can have a very successful year. It's not about being smart or not being smart. It's really just about effort, putting the time in. Take care. See you soon.